Espresso, cappuccino, cappuccino ice, latte, Irish, flat white, Americano, macchiato, mocha. This machine right here is literally making all my coffee dreams come true. And I'm sure all the coffee lovers can relate, because what is it that this machine can't do? I don't know. This is Dolce Gusto Movenza machine. It is actually one of their new versions that they have come out with. They have a lot of options in the Nescafe page. Let's get all of you a flavorful glass of coffee all by ourselves, sitting at home. But all you need to do is just go out and purchase the capsules or pods you actually really love, which could be either Starbucks or Costa or anywhere which serves those coffee or those espresso pods and capsules, which works. I think most of it works, but yeah, which works with the machine. By the end of this video, I do want to know what's your favorite coffee drink that you like to have either occasionally or every day before you go to the washroom. I'm kidding, but anything, whatever flavor is your favorite, I would like to know that. So please drop that down in the comment box and hit the subscribe button, because I really love you guys and I do want to keep making these videos for you all. So guys, the fun part was that I got to choose like 5 boxes of flavors that came along with the machine, and I didn't even have to pay extra for it. And I'm going to put in the description below all the details about which location and which place exactly did I get the coffee machine from, and all about the bundle offer that they are running right now. These are the 5 flavors that I chose to go with. So we have 2 Starbucks, which is the blonde espresso roast, latte macchiato, which is again by Nescafe, and you can buy your own like flavors also, which are a bit on the sweetened side, because all of these were like unsweetened and I didn't have much of a choice. So I just chose these 5 out of the 7 boxes that they were allowing us to choose from. You can choose hot chocolate, you can choose iced cappuccino, and all of the flavors that I mentioned in the start. Get it from noon.com or get it from even Carrefour or wherever you're going for shopping, even Starbucks, which is my favorite. I'm a sucker for great coffee, and let's get right in and get you all high on coffee. This is how the coffee machine looks, and it's quite cute because you can literally just put it in and also just like pull it out. So now in order to just give you a little bit brief about how it works, this is the area which is like where all the magic is going to happen. It's going to get all censored up. So this is how you need to slide your finger. It's going to be either 2, 3 depending on what's written on the pod. So if the pod, the quantity of it is mentioned on the pod, and that's how you're going to like slide your finger up to 3 or 4 or 5 how much coffee, or like it tells about how much coffee or how much milk is going to be there inside the coffee. Another very cool thing about this coffee machine is like the other Dolce Gusto machines where you need to literally take out the tank and fill in the water. In this one you can literally just put in the water here, slide it in and take it out. This is how easy it is. So this is the back area of the machine, and it's very, very sleek. It's very, very beautiful. I love the color. Also guys, one more thing, you do get the area where you're going to place the glass, and the thing is going to drain out too. So this you can fix at different levels. The higher level of glass, then there is the lower level of glass. This is the area where the pod is going to go in. It's just a literal slide up, slide in. So you just slide it out, put in the coffee pod. This is for like draining out the water in the start, and put the coffee in, put your glass or your cup here, and the coffee is going to come right in. Time to make some great coffee, and I'm going to be using the latte macchiato box for making this coffee, and the pods available in this and how much, like what is the quantity that you're going to censor through this tab is all going to be mentioned on the box about the milk and the coffee separately. So I'm just going to open this. Inside the box I'm going to find like one part which is going to be in the color white, which is the milk, and one part which is going to be the coffee, and of course the amount, as I said, is going to be mentioned. So if you have to do just 2 bars, then be careful about that. Don't do excess of it, then it's just going to be a very pathetic coffee. And this is for the milk. I'm going to start by placing the pod inside this area and then just fix it in like this. Okay, and once the milk is inside, of course you need your beautiful coffee mug. So I'm going to place this like this. The milk that I've inserted inside this is 5 bars. So what I'm going to do is just 1 2 3 4 5, right, and then just put in the hot tap. So now the milk is going to come out. Okay, so the warm milk is getting poured right inside it, and it looks very fancy, can't deny the fact. So it's going to show you, the amount that's going in. Okay, finally, when you're done with the milk part, then you're just going to wait for it to just show the green color sign, and then finally you can just remove it. But like, be careful because you need to discard it. Now I'm going to be inserting the coffee. It is just 2, and then I'm just going to put in the hot. Go for it. Okay, so it's all done now. I'm just going to pull out the glass. This is how easy it is to make coffee in 2021, and that also of your choice, because you can literally, go out and get any coffee flavor you like and put it in this machine and get all your coffee dreams come true. Before I of course enjoy the yummy cup of latte macchiato that I just made, please do subscribe to my channel and of course like the video and comment below your favorite coffee flavor. Cheers.